So that's example one. All right, so taking a look at example two. Example two, we're going to be talking about the length of those branches. And you've got tight tolerances where trunks have to run if that's the issue, and you're combining two subsections from opposite directions. Well, you might not be able to use a Y branch because of the actual position of where those opposing subtrunks are coming from. And you can see here that where they had given the actual size of their combined subtrunk, one of the issues was that they wanted an 11.5 inch diameter piece of duct. Well, we don't make that. We make whole integer diameters, if you will. So we offered them a 12 inch, which they accepted, but they still needed to combine two sections that were both 8 inches. And as you can see here, that means that once again, we've got, looks like about 2 inches of difference. Now, if this has got to be hard connected, 2 inches might not be a big deal unless you do have to hard connect. And then it can become a huge deal. So how could you do this? Well, one way to get around this might be, instead of using a pants Y, we might be able to do this as follows. If we take this out, and what I'm going to suggest is an elbow followed with a branch, okay? So if we were to come down and extend this, and I'm just arbitrarily choosing this side to do this, and we're now going to draw up and connect. Now, because I'm bringing two dissimilar sizes together, duct quote assumes I'm trying to create a branch. Well, I am, okay? But if we now draw from here at 45 degrees, and this will again be our 8 inch, and bring it over and connect it, you can see that we still have to make this longer. So if we do that downstream, okay, we can kind of move this back, and I'm going to redraw this so that I can actually reach the correct. We're going to draw that again, 8 inch at a 45-degree angle. I'm going to come down till I am even with that. And as you can see now, we didn't have to move this in. Let's say that's one of the criticals. And we didn't have to move these two opposing sizes, but we did have to change how we handled the connection there. And this all now works with standard size. And if we needed to change this back, we could bring this back just to the elbow, it looks like. And you can see that we're now finishing at those reducers, and that would work, right? So that's what we mean by a combination of an elbow and a branch. Sometimes this is a much better way. It sometimes is also better for your pressure loss. So let's close out there.